everybody! Welcome back to my page, Hotmessexpress Tutorials. Today marks my 1 year on YouTube! Holy wow! Oh my gosh, thank you for joining me for this ride. Or, if this is your first video, then hey! Put your seatbelt on! Cause safety! So I'm doing a Valentine's Day look, or just a pink look. If you watched my video last year, then you'll know my feelings on Valentine's Day. I honestly just think it's more of a Hallmark holiday, but hey, if you want to celebrate it, that is your choice. Also, I'm a little bit sick, so really glad that I got here and I'm filming because I love you guys. Go subscribe! I watched my first video today, and I would like to think that I have improved vastly. If anything, at least in the speed of my talking, because literally I was talking like this. So boring. Wow. I want to honestly turn my own video off. But hey, we all start somewhere, right? And I would like to think that I'm going to keep improving and keep making better videos for you. Let's get started. 3, 2, 1! Fresh face! Okay, so today I'm going to start with the Smashbox Radiance Orange Primer. Give me a glow. Make me look less sickly. Okay, then I'm going to use the littlest bit. This is probably even too much. Cover my pores. This is using the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer, which you've seen me use before. I'm going to go in with my Marc Jacobs foundation, which you saw me use in my last video. And as I said before, it does oxidize. So this is not the final color. It's a little bit more orange, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but this has a medium coverage and a really nice scent. I don't know if this is one of Marc Jacobs' perfume scents, but I'd buy it. I'm just gonna set that. It's most important to set on my nose because my nose is like so full right now, which is probably TMI, but I keep sneezing. When you use the tissue a lot, make sure it's really set. I'm gonna put my concealer on. Also, if I don't say any of the products that I used today, then it will be in the description box down below. I always make sure that I put everything that I use in there. I don't know why, I just love using makeup that smells really nice. Okay, gonna put some eye primer on, and then we're gonna get close up. So I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm using this brown color. I'm gonna go over top of it with this pinkish color. I'm gonna go into the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. I'm gonna use this bottom sparkly pink color. I think this color is pretty similar to the Jaclyn Hill color I just used, but it actually has like a pinker tone instead of a more orange tone, I guess. And honestly, because I know that these have a lot of pigment to it, sometimes I just use my finger because I think I can get more pigment out of it. I'm going to use the color next to it, which is this regular pink color. And we're going to soften up these edges. And I'm apparently using a lot of things that I used in my last video. I really like this Lime Crime Diamond Crusher eyeshadow liquid stuff. I don't know. You know, we're going for a very basic, mellow look for this Valentine's Day. Okay, and then to blend that in, I'm just gonna go back in with the bottom sparkly pink color. Probably should have let that dry a little bit more. Okay, then we're gonna go back in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, do some highlighting of our brow bone in our inner corner. And then I'm gonna mix this color with this color. Then I'm going to take my Heavy Metal Urban Decay glitter in Catcall, which is a pink glitter. I'm going to go from the inside. This part is always so scary. Try to go above the crease, so try to keep a nice line. And that's it for eyeshadow. I'm going to go put some eyeliner and mascara and eyebrows and all of those things that are not as exciting or new on. Okay, then I'm going to go in with my KKW highlighting blush contour palette with the rosy hair color. Then we're gonna go in with the Kylie Cocoa K. That's so many K's. Should have done a lip scrub before this. I think I'm going to put the highlighter just right on the bottom lip a little bit. Then I'm gonna add my eyelashes. Wow! Here's the final look! I have eyelashes on! So this is the final look. You can wear this on Valentine's Day. You can wear this on Galentine's Day. You can wear this if you just want to wear some pink. Whatever you would like. If you want to know any of the products that I used today, I'll list them all below. If you want to know my Hotmessexpress tip of the day, I will also list that down below. If you want to know what my Hotmessexpress tip of the day is, it is to say I love you to the people that you love more. Whether it's your friends or your family or your boyfriend or your husband or your wife or whoever. If you feel that you love them, if you have love towards them, then say it. If you like this video, then actually make the action of liking it right on the thumbs up button. You can subscribe if you haven't already. You can share it. You can comment down below. You can follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. I hope that you guys have a great Valentine's Day, whether you celebrate it or not. And if you're not celebrating Valentine's Day, then happy Mardi Gras. Alright, bye guys!